it's Rusty Glove Box. It's after work today, and so let's do something. I got my parts, my repair parts to fix my other grinder. You may remember in another video earlier that I got a new grinder. Well, I was going to order the parts, and they came in, and so I thought this would be a good opportunity for us to go ahead and do a semi-rebuild on this old grinder. So here we go. Well, what I had ordered was a half of a hand grip. This one side, it was cracked, and so I got the replacement half of that handle. I went ahead and ordered 2 new brushes. I think the brushes are going to be pretty easy to swap out. Just remove the cap, pull the brush. The brush that was giving me trouble was this brush. I'm not sure. It seems like maybe the sides got wore and the brush kind of got twisted up in there. So anyway, I think that was my main problem with this one. I got the correct brushes. Just fits in there real nice. Just making sure that the brushes are seated in there proper. Well, I hope y'all saw just how easy that was to repair that grinder, and I'm pretty happy that all the parts went together pretty easy, and it's going to be a good tool for years to come, it looks like. So anyway, appreciate y'all coming by and watching for a little bit. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.